I am super humbled to be ending the year with hitting 20,000 subscribers right here on YouTube. And I want to give a big thank you to each and every single one of you. But before I do, let's roll a clip. Hey everyone, James here, and it is nearly the end of the year. I'm recording this on the 27th of December, and we hit 20,000 subscribers right here on YouTube. I could not be more thrilled and more humbled. And I just want to say thank you to every single one of you that left a comment, that liked a video, that heck, even disliked a video. You give me feedback, and of course, just watched a video or join me for a live stream right here on my YouTube channel. I started really kind of doing this channel about a year ago, and I had just been putting content out here from my live streams here and there for a few years. And when we started this year, we only had 5,000 subscribers, and this year we gained nearly 15,000 subscribers with nearly 1 million views and 92,000 hours of watch time. It has been absolutely humbling to be able to create awesome content for every single one of you that have been trying to maybe get into mobile development with Xamarin and now .NET MAUI, or you just stumbled upon one of my weird, wacky cycling videos or other gadget reviews. I super duper love making videos. I started this channel and putting out pieces of content here because I wanted a way to kind of take what was in my mind and put it out in a different fashion of trying to teach. I also wanted to learn how to edit videos and learn how to do some different branding on the channel. And of course, be able to interact more directly with all of you, not only on Twitter, but right here on YouTube. It's been a really awesome year. We not only hit 20,000 subscribers, but I also launched a new merch shop with awesome Mooch apparel like this, and also stickers as well. And additionally, we have a membership here on the channel, which you can join. You get exclusive videos, posts, and some exclusive live streams as well. So if you're looking for a way, you're coming from Twitch over to the YouTube, that is another way to help support the channel. I do all of these videos 100% in my spare time. My partner in life is so gracious. She knows that every once in a while it's a Sunday and I'm going and recording a video, and she's there by my side supporting me, just like all of you supported me through this year. Super appreciated it. And I know I don't want to bait and switch everybody, but yes, we do have a dog. Come here, Millie. Come here. Come here. You want to go on a video? There we go. There she is. Here's Millie. Hi. Say hi to YouTube. This is Millie. She's our cattle dog that we adopted from the Humane Society. She is blind and also has diabetes, but we love her with all of our heart. And she was in the featured thumbnail today, thanks to our friends over at Cinder Design Co. I've been working with the team over there on all my branding, all the thumbnails. Hopefully you like all of that. And don't forget that I'm going to be continuing our live streams right here on YouTube as I do Blazor and I do a whole lot more. And this is the place where I'll be streaming and making content. Of course, if you want more of me, check out my website, mountainmagno.com, or on Twitter. And honestly, just want to say thank you all again so much from the bottom of my heart. I'm really excited for 2022 and want to grow it again. And maybe we'll even hit 50,000 by the end of next year. Fingers crossed. Thank you so much. And of course, please do give me your feedback. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go down there into the comments, leave a comment what you want me to see me generating right here. And with that, have a happy new year. And we'll see you all in 2022. Cheers.